Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still do my humble self, Chukwuka Obeleagu. And in today's video, I want to share with you guys an update on the TBC009 wallet, okay? Part of the reason I'm doing this update is because of the current TBC-TST swap that we're currently doing that is free, okay? And that the swap is based on the value of the Kringle and also the value of TST at the market as at the time you're doing the swap. All right. So, but the wallet has been offline for a week plus due to maintenance. So I'm here to give you guys update because the demand for information about the update is too much, given the fact that there are updates on the wallet. But you know what? People prefer to ask people they trust for information. All right. So let me just dive straight into it. Okay. So this is the Billion Coin app. If you don't have it, make sure you go and get it. Okay. All right. So let's go to TBC009 wallet. As you can see, it's under maintenance, but there is an update here by the IT team. Okay, and I love the fact that it's an update because at least you know what is happening without worrying what is going to happen to your coins. Okay, all right. So these are updates on October 30th, 2020. The update is that they identified the issue with the wallet and are working tirelessly to return it to service. Rest assured, your TBC is safe, and while IT teams are checking every small function to ensure that we have isolated the issue. Okay, so October 31st is the update here is that the dev team is currently testing the wallet systems in a methodological way to ensure stability and speed of the system. These tests will be finished by the end of the day and next steps will be reviewed. This does not mean that the wallet will be back up by end of day. It means it will be done with this phase on the next phase. Again, we are working tirelessly, blah 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 blah. So basically they say they are still working on it. Okay, on November 2nd, which is yesterday, they said they found a bug in our synchronization database that prevents the wallet from operating stably. We are working to resolve it by reconfiguring the component and testing again. We know that this is frustrating for members to not have access to the wallet, but stability is very important. We can't have it freeze or function slowly while members are using it. Okay? So very soon, what they're promising based on this update is they're working on it. They're giving us update. They're working on it, which I love the transparency, by the way. I love the transparency, by the way. And you can actually track this by yourself without me giving you an update. Okay. All right, guys. That's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Click the like button if you love this video. And if you have questions and you want to ask me, my information or contact information is in the description below. Until I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.